Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by connecting your phone to the laptop. Use a quality USB cable for speed and stability. Unlock the phone and accept prompts. Choose File Transfer, MTP, or Tap. Trust this computer on iPhone so the laptop can read data. On the laptop, open File Explorer or Finder and navigate to your phone's internal storage, usually DSIM or downloads. Once you see folders, you're ready to pick files. This direct link avoids cloud delays and preserves original file dates and quality for backups. Now choose what to move. Tap multiple files with Control or Shift to select groups, or grab whole folders to preserve organization. Drag them into a local folder on your laptop, or use copy and paste. Creating a dated backup folder helps later. On Mac with Android, install Android File Transfer so Finder can access MTP. On iPhone, use the Photos Import tool or Finder Sync. Once done, monitor transfer progress and confirm file counts match. This ensures nothing was skipped during the copy. Finish by verifying the transferred files, compare counts, and open a few photos or documents to ensure they are intact. Make a secondary backup if the data is critical. When verified, safely eject the phone from the laptop using the system tray or Finder eject. This prevents file corruption. If the device isn't recognized, switch cables first, then enable USB debugging on Android or install the phone's drivers on Windows. If issues persist, restart both devices and try again. Most problems clear with a fresh connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.